Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to upgrade your Audi A4. We'll cover various ways to enhance your vehicle, from boosting its performance to refining its appearance. You can personalize your A4 to truly reflect your style and driving preferences. We'll also look at modern technology integrations and essential maintenance tips to keep your upgraded Audi running smoothly and safely for many years to come. Let's dive in. To significantly boost your A4's performance, consider an engine tune, which can add 20 to 40% more horsepower. Upgrading your exhaust system not only improves sound, but also enhances engine breathing. For better stopping power, larger brake rotors and performance pads are excellent choices. Finally, a sport suspension kit will sharpen handling, reducing body roll and making your drive much more engaging. These upgrades truly transform the driving experience. Enhancing your Audi A4's aesthetics and comfort is straightforward. Exterior body kits can give your car a more aggressive or refined look. New wheels and high-performance tires dramatically improve both style and road grip. Inside, ambient lighting kits create a modern, customizable atmosphere. For ultimate comfort and a sporty feel, consider upgrading your seats or steering wheel. These changes make your A4 uniquely yours, inside and out. Modernizing your A4's technology is simple with new infotainment systems offering Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. A high-quality dash cam provides extra security and peace of mind. Remember, proper maintenance is crucial. Using premium fluids and filters extends the life of your upgraded components. Always opt for professional installation to ensure everything functions perfectly and safely. This ensures your Audi A4 remains a joy to drive for years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.